Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down digital marketing tools and tips. Today, we're diving into the two big players in website analytics, Google Analytics and Microsoft Clarity. Are they competitors? Do they complement each other? Let's find out in the next 2 minutes. First up, Google Analytics. This tool is a giant in the industry. It gives you deep insights into your website's performance, including traffic sources, user demographics, user behavior, and goal tracking. If you're running a complex business, Google Analytics is packed with customizable reports that help you make data driven decisions. But here's the kicker, it can be pretty overwhelming if you're new to it. Now, let's talk Microsoft Clarity. This tool is newer but is growing fast in popularity. What makes Clarity stand out? It's all about simplicity and user experience. With Clarity, you get heat maps that show where users click most on your site and session replays that let you watch how visitors interact with your page in real time. It's fantastic for understanding user behavior in a more visual, engaging way. And the best part, it's completely free, even for larger sites. So, how do they compare? Google Analytics gives you the hard numbers and in depth reporting, perfect for detailed analysis, but Microsoft Clarity, it provides a more intuitive and visual understanding of user interaction that's easier to digest for many users. Think of Clarity as your go-to for user experience insights, while Google Analytics cover the full scope of data analysis. If you are serious about data-driven decisions and need advanced analysis, Google Analytics is the way to go. But if you want to see exactly how people interact with your website with simple, actionable insights, Microsoft Clarity has you covered. And the best part, you can use both together for the ultimate power combo. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.